Yuna. Kim Yuna, Shining. Is there a part of this song that resembles Yong Mi-jung?
미정이는 이제 삶에서 이렇게 평범하게 살아가고 있지만 어떤 채워지지 않는 어떤 허망함, 고독감 이런 것들을 가지고 있는 캐릭터여서 거기서 벗어나야겠다, 해방돼야겠다라고 생각하는 인물이기 때문에 그 미정의 감정선과 이 가사가 굉장히 닿아 있다고 생각했습니다.
There was a lot of similarities that I saw from the character that Young Mi-jung was, the personhood of Young Mi-jung, and to the lyrics of this song. Dahil although we can see that she's an introvert, but there was also a lot of times that she felt very lonely and parang mga oras na malungkot siya. And on those, parang Young Mi-jung needs to reveal her emotions, and this is where I saw a lot of similarities sa kanta na ito.
Actually, for a lot of people, it's probably their first time to hear the song, and it sounds very sad, right? Now, is there when actors act, they get, especially if they do some like method acting or something like that, they get very immersed in the emotions or the characters of the roles that they play. How do you separate yourself from the character that you portray so that you don't bring home your depression, your loneliness?
특히나 영미정이라는 인물을 연기할 때는 그렇게 크게 분리를 하지 않고 오히려 제 안에 숨어있는 외로움이나 그런 슬픔들을 더 좀 찬찬히 들여다보려고 했던 것 같아요. 근데 이제 거기 막 몰입돼서 같이 슬퍼하는 게 아니라 미정이처럼 한 걸음 떨어져서 제 감정을 바라보는 연습을 했던 것 같습니다.
I really did not force myself to separate from the character of Young Mi-jung, but rather I learned from the person of Young Mi-jung in that character while portraying this drama that I had to take a step backwards and look at how Young Mi-jung would look at her loneliness and sadness para ma-digest ko rin siya in a healthy way. So that's what I learned from this character.
So, wow, so I'm sure a lot of you ay hindi pa nakaka-move on. So, I'm sure a lot of you. So this drama was like top one in the Philippines for like almost the whole duration, right? While it was on air. And not just in the Philippines, but worldwide as well. What do you think makes Hong Hae-in so charming?
혜인이는 굉장히 다채로운 매력을 가지고 있는 캐릭터인데요. 제가 혜인이를 가장 사랑했다는 부분은 어떤 상황에서도 굴하지 않고 본인만의 방식으로 계속 앞으로 나간다는 점이 저는 굉장히 매력있게 느껴졌던 것 같아요.
Well, I really like the character of Hong Hae-in, and not probably the most part that she was really charming was that in any situations she would never give up and never really like try to mend with the world, but really went forward and fought for her ways. So that's what I really appreciate about the character of Hong Hae-in.
Yes, yes. So many people are in love with this character, and I know that, you know, the fever still hasn't died yet. That's why you guys are here with us tonight. Now, the association between Kim Ji-won and the title of Romantic Comedy Queen has become so natural. How do you feel being called the Romantic Comedy Queen?
너무나 멋진 이름을 붙여줘서 너무 감사한데 그냥 열심히 더 해야겠다. 더 좋은 모습을 많이 보여드려야겠다라는 자극이 많이 되는 것 같습니다.
Well, thank you so much because the title you gave me as a romantic comedy queen is very overwhelming. It just really motivates me na sana dapat mas galingan ko pa in the next, and it just gives me the power to go on. So thank you so much for this overwhelming appreciation.
Deserve ang title talaga. Now, let's listen to the playlist that G1 was listening to.
nagustuhan niyo rin ako.
Obviously, nakakarami ka na. Alright, so this song, We Find Ourselves by Epic High featuring Yuna, your best friend. Yeah! So what about this song made you think about Honghae?
이 노래 제목이 또 싸워라는 이제 제목인데 이렇게 우리가 싸우고 가장 모진 말을 할 때 그 가장 너답다 이런 가사예요. 그래서 제일 초반에 백현이랑 굉장히
The title of the song, diba, is We Find Ourselves. So, ibig sabihin, we show the real selves of us when we fight. Kung nag-aaway tayo, nakikita talaga ang totoong katauhan natin. And so, one of the first beginning of the scenes when I was fighting with Baek Hyun-woo,
처음에 굉장히 많이 들었던 곡입니다.
so I was listening to this song in the earlier stages of the drama.
I guess, pero palaban levels pa siya, yung ganyan. Correct.
네, 맞습니다.
Yes.
Makadali naman, nagbanggit ko yung pangalan. Pangalan mo naman. Ganyan kayo ganyan kayo. So was there any particular aspect that you paid attention to while portraying Honghae?
홍기를 연기하면서는 이제 아무래도 굉장히 이기적이고 자기만 알고 오만하던 그런 이제 캐릭터에서 병이 있다는 걸 알게 되고 점점 더 힘들어지는 상황으로 가기 때문에 그 낙차를 잘 표현하려고 가장 신경을 썼던 것 같아요.
Even from the character of Honghae, from the first where medyo self-centered and medyo egoistic ang dating niya, until the flow of the story wherein she found out that she was sick. So I had to really show the drastic fall of the emotions from being self-centered to being the emotional centeredness.
Why? Speaking of like changes in emotion, di ba nag-shoot kayo sa Germany? Nabanggit na! Yung Germany! Grabe naman! Di ba nag-shoot kayo sa Germany? Di ba? Medyo matagal, dami yung scenes nila shoot doon. You shot like crying scenes, happy scenes, grabe, like sobrang grabe yung emotion. Was it not difficult?
아무래도 이제 조금 더 집중을 많이 해서 촬영을 해야 됐기 때문에 독일 촬영이 그렇게 편안한 상황은 아니었지만 근데 그래서 더 몰입하고 집중할 수 있었던 것 같아요. 한 3, 4주 가량을 굉장히 집중해서 타이트하게 찍었기 때문에 장면에는 큰 도움이 됐던 것 같습니다.
Actually, the filming scenes that we did in Germany was not easy. It was around 3 to 4 weeks. And as you said, napakadami mga drastic emotional changes that I had to portray. It was not easy, and yet, dahil napaka-excited and really focused, it helped us naman to overcome the timeline.
Buti na lang, mahusay sila natin, no? Walang masyadong take si Derek.
그냥 도움을 많이 받고 또 이제 대본도 워낙 너무 좋고 또 독일이 굉장히 아름다운 나라였어요. 그래서 그 풍경이나 이런 것들에 도움을 많이 받았습니다.
Well, it's not just me, but ang daming tumulong sa akin around. And the script itself was very good. And then Germany itself was a beautiful country that I really appreciated the whole environment.
We agree. Now, of course, Wayne. Sinabi natin.
혜인은 저한테 굉장히 기적 같은 캐릭터이고 앞으로도 그럴 것 같아요.
Hain, to me, is a miraculous character, and I think it will remain that way.
So now, we have listened to the 3 playlists of Kim Ji-won for